guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode we'll be doing more assembly. To start off, we have the red clear parts provided by Tamiya, and there's no need for painting or even any kind of glue to put the clear part on. The clear part has a little hook on the end so the part can clip into place, so you don't have to put any kind of glue on the clear parts that could potentially ruin the parts, which is very clever by Tamiya. I wish all companies did this just to save some work or save some time for the modeler. So, Carrera GTs have carbon ceramic brakes, which is different than just regular aluminum silver discs. So I painted them in black, then I took a tank weathering powders by Tamiya. You see in the left corner there. I'll do a review of them very soon if possible, and after painting the caliper or the brake discs in black, I went over with some really dark gray powder over the surface, which gave it a realistic carbon ceramic brake look to them. So it was really convenient. I didn't have to buy the separate paint for the color. Maybe in the future I should, but this is kind of a method that I use to kind of just get away with it. So after putting the yellow calipers on the brake discs, it was time to put them on the suspension parts. They fit very well. It's always Tamiya. And I believe the rear one had two calipers, one in the front and the one in the back. And make sure not to put glue inside of the little hub there, because you'll be putting the wheels in there and you don't want the wheels to be stuck. So just be cautious when you're applying glues on there. And after that, we gonna be inserting some poly caps. And some Tamiya kits require only one poly caps per wheel, but some kits have two within the little axle there. And I have no reason, or I don't know why, but they apparently require two poly caps per wheel on this in this case. And for the rear axle, we have the little shaft there, metal shaft, to connect the two wheels, and the front ones are independent from each other, so they are separate, and there's no rod going through. So simply just put it through the hole and put the other side and press it together. It fits really well. It doesn't roll as smooth as I wish to be, but I'll be putting them in a display case anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. So same thing with the front wheel, put two pawl caps in. The front wheel's pawl cap went in a lot better than the rear ones, so do that and then simply just slap them on. This episode was kind of boring, but in the next episode we'll be finishing up the model, and I'll be back with a finished model. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.